In the south of Denmark, a mega project is underway to build a tunnel under the Baltic, linking the country to Germany. It's currently Europe's biggest construction site and world's longest prefabricated road and rail tunnel, costing more than 7 billion a year and mostly financed by Denmark. It is part of a wider EU plan to improve travel links to northern and southern Europe. Adrian Murray paid a visit. It's on a scale that's hard to take in the size of 600 football pitches. This colossal construction site is where a record-breaking tunnel is being built, linking Denmark to Germany. So this is one of our production lines inside 3 enormous Hals tunnel segments. Each more than 200 m long are being molded from steel and concrete, running 18 km under the Baltic Sea. The Fehmarnbelt will be the world's longest prefabricated tunnel. It's not only linked Denmark to Germany as linking Scandinavia to Central Europe. Everybody's the winner because obviously businesses they will be closer connected, and then by not having an extra distance to drive, you will also cut in carbon. Because traveling 160 kilometers less, it will slash the rail journey between Copenhagen and Hamburg from 4 and 1 to 2 to just 2 and 1 to 2 hours and replace the 45-minute ferry sailing by a drive of less than 10 minutes, financed mostly by Denmark. This $7.5 billion megaproject has been in the pipeline for almost 2 decades. After repeated delays from lawsuits and environmental opposition, is hoped the project will boost the local area. And building is now well underway. As much steel as 50 Eiffel towers will be needed. Assembling. This metal structure is the first step of building the tunnel. It'll be molded with concrete, and 9 of them will be put together to make a single element in all 90 segments. Like these will be linked together, piece by piece like Lego bricks. Now we are in the first part of the tunnel. We're in just one side of the future. Motorway here, we have the water, and as you can hear, it's quite thick. Behind these huge steel doors is seawater, and the next section of tunnel will have to be placed here. Exactly to do. That is a feat of engineering. A trench has been dug into the seabed, and one by one, each segment weighing 73,000 tons will be floated out, then lowered into position with 15mm precision. We have to be very careful that it's placed just in front of the next one. So we have a system called pin and catch. We will have some arms grabbing onto the element, dragging it slowly into place, and we can remove this sealed dew behind us. The bedrock is too soft to drill under, but a tunnel was deemed more secure than a bridge. If you have a bridge going north-south, the wind is kind of perpendicular. There was also the risk, or should we say probability, of ships crashing into bridges. You actually have a rather deep water 30-meter, which means the biggest ships can sail there soon. The crucial next segment will be moved into place, and when it opens for 5 years from now, Scandinavia will be a little closer to mainland Europe. Adrian Murray, Newsland.